welcome back to my garden. So I started working out here in my garden trying to get the front area finished up for the holiday season because Christmas time is not that too far off and I really feel like I'm running out of time. So since it's starting to rain and I'm not going to be able to stay out here and finish what I need to get done for today, what I want to do is I want to head in because I want to finish the display that's going to be sitting on my sideboard. Now, you guys, I should be ashamed. I should be ashamed of myself because I have let my Amaryllis bulbs just get out of control. They are blooming like crazy. And I need to go ahead and get my display together. And not only that, you know what? Matter of fact, let me just show you guys and then we'll move into our greenhouse. It's really a sunroom or plant room, whatever you want to call it. But for me, I call it my greenhouse and I use it as that. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the Amaryllis bulbs and then we're going to head inside to the greenhouse and we are going to work on getting these Amaryllis containers planted up. I'm so excited about them, and you guys, there are some beautiful blooms. Matter of fact, let me go get one. You know what? Let's just go inside and do what we need to do. Bloop. So real quick, do you see all of these Amaryllis bulbs? We got to get all of these potted up, y'all. All of these. So look at these beauties right here, how beautiful they are. We're going to get these potted up as well. So here we have a frosty fern. This arrangement was definitely not looking like this, but our frosty fern has now become dehydrated. So what we're going to do, we're going to go in and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to rehydrate this frosty fern. We are going to pop this out and we're going to get it set up so it can get rehydrated. "30 minutes in, the frosty ferns are already standing up. So we're going to continue to let them soak up, hydrate. If we look closely into the bottom of this one, we want this to be completely hydrated, okay? So they still have water in there. I might add a little bit more water in order to make sure they have adequate hydration. Matter of fact, let's do that now. Alright, so once they soak up all of this water, I'm confident that the frosty ferns will be ready to go. Guys, look at this. Look at this. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an amazing arrangement really quick. So these are our containers that we're using, brown terracotta. You guys, if you don't have any brown terracotta pots, you better get you some. If you do not have any brown terracotta pots, baby, you better get you some. Let's go ahead and let's just get this done. It's raining outside, you guys, just listen. So peaceful. So peaceful, you guys. I just love rainy days because you can really get so much done. Honey, when it comes to a rainy day, when I tell you I like to just work in my plant room. I like to get things done. But in this case, I have to dedicate this to getting this project done because I really should be ashamed of myself. All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to pre-hydrate our poinsettias here, okay? So we have the bottom of this filled with water. We're going to let these sit in here for a couple of seconds, and we're going to pre-hydrate these because, again, it'll be easy to keep them watered, but we are going to want to make sure that we keep our poinsettias happy. But what's most important is going to be our amaryllis bug. Okay. Fit some more in here. Okay, so while these are taking this water up, now, more than likely, this is going to fall apart. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and provide a little bit of water right here to our amaryllis bulb. Baby, this thing is happy. Oh, she's falling apart. Put her down a little bit deeper. Mind about the bulb sticking up. I don't care about that. Go in and I am going to water my poinsettia from top. Okay. So now here we are. Everything is looking good, saturated. We don't have that much water left in the bottom of the bowl. So let's go ahead and get these in place.